Weather experts have predicted a cold snap engulfing some parts of the country, with snow, heavy rains and damaging winds on the cards. The South African Weather Service has issued alert for Saturday's extreme weather patterns, especially in the Eastern Cape.
We're expecting much more of the cold along the Drakensberg areas, spreading over to Lesotho and spreading over to the southwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal today. Snow that's expected is mainly over the extreme northern parts of the Eastern Cape province, spreading to the Drakensberg, and much more of it still remains on the following day over around the areas in Lesotho and the southwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal.
It had been anticipated that snow would return to some parts of the country this weekend, but unfortunately for Gauteng residents, it will be a no-show.
The cold snap that's been forecast for this weekend and the cold conditions which we are already starting to experience and slightly wetter conditions across large areas of the country are as a result of the cold front arm of a mid-latitude cyclone. During our winter months, the ITCZ, or the Intertropical Convergence Zone, shifts towards the northern hemisphere due to the tilt of the Earth. And as a result of this, the westerly wind bands extend further equatorwards than they would during the summer months.
Following an increase in shack fires in the past weeks due to dwellers trying to keep the cold snap at bay, emergency services are on high alert.
In most of those areas, you are likely to get, fire incidents due to the heating devices they are using. Areas like, we've had a number of fire incidents in areas like Alexander, which we'll be monitoring. We have had fire incidents in areas like Zandspruit, we've had areas like Deep Slot, Orange Farm. So those are, I would say, some of the areas which we are really monitoring, to make sure that we, as and when we're conducting our a door-to-door campaign, we focus on those areas because we've seen that we've lost a number of lives in those areas. So we're hoping that over the weekend our residents will work with us so that we can prevent any further incidents which might occur.
Residents have been urged to be cautious when using heaters and candles indoors. Offense Estimo, SABC News, Pretoria.